LCA Mark II is very in advanced stage, and we have already completed all the jigs and fixtures, and the airframe is on to the assembly line. So it is, and all the systems are being developed at the private and public sector companies, and we will be making a rollout by this year end and flying also in the first quarter of 26. So Mark II is moving very well, and we are very confident and that it will get inducted from 2028 to 2029. And it has got all indigenous weapons, about 11 stations. So it will be one of the mighty lethal platform for the Indian Air Force. About the AMCA, as you have seen in India Pavilion, we have already completed 1:1 engineering model assembly, and all the jigs fixtures of AMCA are being developed. Also, the material, we have made a lot of progress onto the stealth materials and all. They are all indigenized in our DRDO lab, and they are all at very high TRL level. So, and the Mark II and AMCA, there is a commonality of avionics, and the sensors are getting very few upgradations. So, we are finding no problem in integrating and adapting the avionics of Mark II. So that way there is no much development required for Mark II, but very critical developments of AMCA are on track, and we will be rolling out at 27 About the engine, it is a G414. Yes.
So other than the engine, what else we are we will have imported equipments on board AMCA.
No, to the begin with, we will import some critical items, but
Can you
we
throw a
have
light on
taken
that?
like hydraulic motors or electrical generator and ejection seat and all that thing. But the efforts are on to make concurrent indigenous developments, and as soon as they are available, they will pitch in as a drop-in replacement during production.
In terms of percentage, what would be that?
Today, AMCA starting with 75% of indigenization, and it may go closer to 85 to 90%.
Also, TEDBF, we can do just a broad sense of where we are.
TEDBEP, we are in the development stage. We have completed preliminary design review, and then it's on the drawing board, and we have put for a sanction, and government is looking at very positively to sanction the TEDBEP. Thank you very much.
And it's a
one
final
final.
look on the engines.
The engines,
On
one
the
final
engines.
listing on engine.
Engines, we are
Co-development of our
that
own
some
engine.
talks are going on with the co-development of engine with the European firms. But for this AMCA, we will use a G414 inch, which is manufactured in India
Are you looking
under
at
the TOT agreement.
Are you looking at an indigenous engine as well? So that's a critical requirement.
At the latter part of the story.
Thank you.
Thank you.